In this class, I'm going to show you a couple of examples on how to use Bulma. Bulma is a CSS framework which is quite powerful, easy to use, intuitive, and it has great documentation. You can check their documentation page. You can see overview, modifiers, layout, columns. Today I'm going to be showing you columns example. I already showed you how to install Bulma in our project. You can open your environment or Hello World project. We will change it from scratch, and if you haven't done so, please go ahead, install, or you can watch my tutorial on how to install Bulma, or you can just npm install Bulma, and then we will go to VS Code. Let me show you. This is our Hello World project, starter files. Let me go to app.js, and before we go ahead, let me just check whatever is written in index.js document. Please make sure your ID matches to your index.html. In public folder, go to and check it out. I previously changed it to Sudoku, but in our Hello World project it might be root, and if it is root and the other one is something else, it wouldn't match. So in that case, this index.js cannot find this one and you might get an error. Please make sure it matches whatever you name it. And let's continue, and let me clear those whatever inside, and let's try this one. Hello. Let me write columns in Bulma. Excuse me. Columns in Bulma, and let me show you columns in Bulma. And from documentation page, let me go ahead and basics of columns, and let me copy this one. The first example we have seen here, we will try to create something like this, and I will show you how to do that without writing any CSS code at all. Let's come here and paste this file, and please change classes because it's a reserved word, reserved phrase in React. So let's change it to class equal to class name equal to replace all. Let me check. However, we should write this line: import Bulma, import double quotes Bulma CSS /CSS/ Bulma.css. This line, let's check it out. You may have seen, now we have columns, and however it doesn't look exactly like this. The reason is that, let me check this one, we should write something like notification is primary inside. Is primary makes its color, gives its color, and let me show you how to do that quickly. Let me go to app.js, and let's, inside our first column, let's create a div dot notification is primary. We'll make it green or whatever color it is, and I will show you. And instead of writing first column outside, let's put it inside. And let me show you, one of them should be green. Beautiful. And let's change all of them like this. Actually, we can be lazy and make it like this. And then change first column, second column, third column. The advantage of using Bulma, you don't need to worry about responsiveness and how it will calculate your window size, whatever screen you have, and then it will show it will make a great look on your website. I strongly recommend using it, giving it a try. During these tutorials, we will be creating our application using Bulma CSS framework so that we can concentrate more on algorithms. Let me delete this last one. Actually, column, it looks like I am missing something. Let me delete only this column, only this one. Oops, whatever. You may notice it is now responsive, and if you change size of the screen, you will notice it is beautifully aligning vertically and horizontally whenever your screen changes its size. This is how to use Bulma columns, and I will be showing you some more examples. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture.